Hello children, how are you? Children, today we are going to continue the same chapter from your history book, chapter number 3, first phase of Indian national movement. I have already explained you the achievement of early nationalist criticism of early nationalist, but children they had done lot about for the independence of a country. Now, today I am going to explain you about some prominent nationalist leaders of our country, and the most important of them was Dada Bhai Nauroji from 1825 to 1917. Now, Dada Bhai Nauroji was popularly known as Grand Old Man of India. This I have already told you in the previous class, and he was born in Parsi family in Mumbai on September 4, 1825. He left the teach. He had done a teaching profession, but he left this teaching profession and went to England as a partner in a firm. In 1869, he returned to Mumbai. Now, he was elected to the Mumbai Municipal Corporation and later to the town council. Dadabhai Nauroji he founded the Bombay Association, and the newspaper Rose Gaftar, Speaker of Truth, was started by him. Children, he had contributed a lot in our independence movement. During his stay in England, when he was in England, Dadabhai was looked upon as India's unofficial ambassador, fighting for the cause of his country. He was the one, children, you must be remembering that in the last lesson itself, I told you that he wanted or he tried his best to put the real picture of Indian people in front of European society in England. While he was a member of British Parliament, he brought to the notice of the House important matter related to India. It was due to his effort that in 1893 the House of Commerce passed a resolution in favor of holding the ICS examination in England and India simultaneously. This also I have taught you that age was increased from 21, it was decreased to 19 year, and Indians were facing lot of problem. Now, he was elected as a president of Congress 3 times, in 1886, then 1893 and 1906 respectively. Children, he had contributed a lot. Dada Bhai Nauroji passed away in 1917, leaving behind a lesson of selflessness, service of nation. After this, the next important leader of this movement was Gopal Krishna Gokhale from year 1866 to 1915. Gopal Krishna Gokhale was born at Kolhapur in Maharashtra in 1866, and he was a professor of history and economics. He joined the Deccan Education Society founded by Justice Ranade because he was influenced by the ideals of Justice M.G. Ranade. Gokhale became the most popular leader of the Indian National Congress. He presided over the Varanasi session of the Congress in 1905. Children, he made a strong plea for the reform of Legislative Council and separation of judicial from the executive. He played an important role in the passing of Minto Morley reforms. This reform you will study in the next chapter in detail. Then he also served as a member of Indian Public Service Commission and urged to increase the share of Indian in big services. Then he was a founder. Gokhale set up a Servant of Indian Society in 1905. In 1902, Gokhale became the member of Imperial Legislature Council. So children, here we have completed. Next few more contribution, some important contribution of Gopal Krishna Gokhale were that he tried to introduce a bill with a view of make primary education compulsory, but he could not achieve much success in this. He wanted to work for the education of Indian society. From very childhood he wanted every children to get education. Being an economist, he demanded radical changes in fiscal policy and better job for the educated middle class people. He impressed upon the government to reduce the land revenue, which was the major problem problem which were faced by the Indian traders, craftsmen, farmers, etc. Gokhale died in February 15, 1915, when he was popularity was at his peak. Next comes a leader from Calcutta, Bengal, Surendranath Banerjee. The year he worked was 1848 to 1926. Surendranath Banerjee was a nationalist leader and popular journalist and dedicated educationist. He was born in Bengal in 1848. He was the first Indian to qualify for the Indian Civil Service examination. Surendranath Banerjee worked as a magistrate in Assam, but he was soon dismissed because he opposed the policy of racial discrimination by the British. And you know that British never liked the people who opposed any policy of Britishers. Surendranath was elected to the Calcutta Corporation and remained its member for nearly 2 decades. He advocated use of constitutional methods for the attainment of Indians' goal. His famous saying was opposition where necessary, cooperation where possible. He established the Indian Association to fight against the wrong policies of British. He founded the Indian Association in 1876. Then children, Surendranath Banerjee Indian National Conference merged with the Indian National Congress in 1886. As both organizations had the similar objective, they have same policies, so both society merged. He presided over the 2 sessions of the Congress in 1895 and 1952. Now his political ideas. Banerjee edited a newspaper, and his book Nation in the Making gives an account of the political concern as his views about self-government. Banerjee started agitation against these are the children acts that we have done in the previous chapter, and these were License of Arms Act, then Vernacular Press Act was against and also the lowering age from 21 to 19 years for civil ICSE examinations. He also opposed children the division of Bengal by Lord Curzon in 1905. Banerjee, popularly known as father of Indian nationalists, he breathed his last in 1925. Children, there were many more nationalist leaders in our country, but these 3 were the most prominent, and they worked for the welfare of a nation, children. So here, children, we complete our lesson. Go through the lesson, children. Without reading the lesson, you will not understand anything. I have explained you in 3 classes. I have completed this chapter. Children, read the chapter. Do the question answer that will be given in the tab. You will get the questions. Please do the question and write the answer in your own word. Read the chapter, answer in your own word. Don't try to copy down the answer, children. Okay, children. It's for today. We end up the class here. Have a good day, children. Bye.